Dude, it's big.
Got a tank.
Oh, yeah.
I just lose him. Nope.
Dude, it's massive. It's massive. Let it go. What is going on, everybody? And today I have a very interesting video for you guys. Me and some buddies went to a really urban spot to fish at. You know, not expecting much. But I caught a lot, as you guys will see in the video. I think it came out to like 13, 15 fish total. I caught one pretty big one. Then my buddy caught a massive bass, especially in that type of creek. It honestly surprised me. Then we seen a lot of interesting stuff. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Oh yeah. It's a rock bass. You're on the line.
He caught one, Gage. What? He got one. Yeah.
Let's go. First fish of the day, little rock bass. That's sweet, dude. Get a nice little release on it. Is it dead?
No.
Yeah. Ooh. Let's go, dude. That's what I like to see, fellas.
I don't want to hit when you guys in the head.
Little sunfish with all three hooks in its mouth.
Actually.
Yeah.
Bro, we're not doing this again, dude.
This thing might have to die. Carver, see if you can't get that thing out. We'll let it have some.
Don't let him come fucking with me.
Hey, I got one.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good sized bluegill, dude.
That's a meaty one, dude.
Like, actually, I think it's actually pretty big.
How big is she? Here you go. Oh.
This shit's deep, bro. Ah, thorns. Fuck.
If that's getting fucked up, that's fish is good.
Yeah, I am.
I need those pliers, dude.
You swallow all three?
Yeah.
Oh, that got deep right there. You're fucking me raw.
You cast over?
There we go. You want these pliers back, or you just want me to put it in my pocket?
Well.
I want. Oh, dude, it's a carp.
A big ass one?
Dude, it's a big ass one that's swimming right next to you. It's serious. It's like, look.
It's right over there still. See all the bubbles?
I just seen it go right to.
Oh, hell no. Stay the fuck away. Stay the fuck away.
Dude.
Bro, Gabe. There's a huge ass carp. Hell no. You see all the shit get stirred up when it swam by?
Yeah, dude. Well, there's carp in here.
Huh?
So there's carp in here. Yeah, I seen it swimming. I was like, geez, dude.
Oh, man. I mean, fuck.
What is that?
Okay.
I think it's a bass.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's a little largemouth bass, dude. Look at that.
Hey, buddy. Okay, this one.
That's 5 on the day.
Well, at least my shit's spinning. Something ain't going right. It's a hook.
Oh yeah. It's a little decent sizer.
There's no way. Oh my fuck.
Fish number 6 today, fellas. This one's a little feisty. Gosh damn, man. Heck yeah, a little bluegill. That's good for bait right there, man. Dude, it's big. It's big.
Damn. Damn.
Carver, grab my pole.
Damn.
Give it to me. Dude, barely hooked.
Switch replays.
Look at that tank, fellas. Gosh. Largemouth bass here. Get a nice little release on it. You want me to switch your poles?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, since Carver's not catching nothing. What's that, 7 on the day?
Something like that. Got a tank.
Oh, yeah.
I just lose him. Nope.
Dude, it's massive. It's massive. Let it go.
Get through my worm.
Fuck. Dude.
Dude, he's a fucking tank.
That thing's actually massive, dude. Whole.
I gotta find my worm.
Dude, hold on. I gotta get this in shot, dude. Oh my gosh. Thing's actually huge in this little creek. gonna probably flip flop around.
Here, just let me get my thumb in there.
Alright, I can't get it. Got it?
Yeah. Like this. Quit.
Dude, I think actually a tank.
Mm.
Try the thing I just did. Smack the hook.
It's literally right there. Smack it. Fuck. Come here, little bitch. Fuck you doing?
Hold her pole.
Let me see the pliers. Hold this with this.
Dude, I think actually a tank, dude.
Oh yeah.
Hey. You didn't catch much, dude. That's fucking...
I'm sorry, buddy.
Here, let me see that pliers. Thing's fucking hurting my hand.
Fuck. Give him some water.
Here, give him some water real quick so he doesn't die. It's like biting my fucking hand and shit. Get out on your own, buddy.
You're gonna rip it. Let's keep swimming.
See it biting me?
Yeah. Quit squirming.
See those pliers?
You're gonna rip it. It's literally right there. Let me hold him. I'll give him a nice little release.
Gosh. What a tank, dude.
Just keep your thumb out.
Go. Oh,
Don't let him go. Hey, buddy. Thanks for being my first catch.
Okay.
That's the one I needed. If you could land your fish, you'd have like 13. Grab him. Yep, number 10.
Number 10 ski.
Did you stop the video after mine?
Mm-mm. Why?
Because I wanted to see it.
Well, gosh damn. It's not gonna be that hard to find because I
Got stuck right then.
yeah, so I'll just see where I got stuck at. Dude, the hook's out. Why is this thing not coming out? What is it stuck on?
I'm getting a nice little.
Nope.
I was gonna put a nice little release on him, so I can do a backflip.
That thing's probably dizzy as.
Dizzy as fuck. A double. Good thing the one's in the hole.
Yeah, that one's gonna be easy to get out. Oh, I just got one. Jeez, dude.
Every time I gotta grab one, bro.
It literally just falls out of my hand.
They dislike me, bro. Like, very well dislike me. They see my thumb coming and run.
Oh, it was like, it's in your thumb, it was like, it's flip-flopping out of my hand. And
He's got the proof right in front of him. Other than that, don't even look like me. I got the long hair, middle part and shit.
yeah, it is kind of crazy.
Ryland's. He has the Bob Ross part. You could have fished him.
I'm a fish magnet.
What's that, like 13?
Something like that.
What's squirming? Is it in his eye?
No, it's not in its eye, but I don't really know. Ow, what the fuck? The hook's right there. Oh,
He's bleeding like crazy.
dude, stop. Oh,
Damn, his mouth opened. Are you bleeding?
no, this thing's bleeding.
Bad. Did he even bite it? I don't think he bit it. I think you just hooked him, bro. He definitely didn't bite it. Like, you need these? Nope. Get the blood off him. Let him know he's a rabbit. I don't want to touch him. It's fucking weird.
Bang. I'm a fish magnet.
You've caught, what, 2 decent sized ones?
Yeah.
Or 1 decent and 1 was alright.
So that is going to be the end of today's video, and I hope you guys are actually pretty inspired by this, because we tried a new spot not knowing if it was going to be good, if it's going to be bad, because I mean, first look at this creek, it's like, oh, it's little, there's not going to be much fish in it, but there's actually a ton of fish in it, and there's actually some pretty big ones. We've seen a carp about yay big, and it had some girth to it, so I'll probably definitely be back there in the future, but I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, make sure to smash this like button and give me a subscribe, and peace out.